Now we will start with exercise number 3. But before starting this exercise, we have to learn what is a prime number and what is a composite number. Prime number are those numbers which have factors or divisors, that is only two divisors or factors. For example, if I say 97, 97 has only two factors or any two divisors, that is 1 and 97 itself. We have learned what is a divisor in exercise number 2. So a number which has only two divisors is known as a prime number, and these two divisors are also specified. That should be 1 and 97 itself. अगर 97 है तो 97. If suppose any other prime number which is 19, 19 के भी सिर्फ दो ही divisors हैं, 1 and 19 itself. So these are known as prime numbers जिनके पास सिर्फ दो divisors होते हैं, 1 and the number itself. So now we will move on. We know what is prime numbers, and ये prime numbers है, right? Leaving these numbers, other numbers are composite numbers. Now if I ask you what is a composite number, simple, right? Composite numbers are those numbers which have more than two factors or divisors. That is 1 and 19 को छोड़ के भी कोई और 1 और वो खुद नंबर छोड़ के भी जो दूसरे नंबर्स आते हैं वो एक composite number होगा. For example, if I say 4, tell me what are the factors of 4. एक तो 1 है, एक तो वो खुद है 4 and एक 2 है. तो can you see over here it has how many factors? 3 factors or 3 divisors, which is 1, the first natural number 1, the number itself that is 4, and एक और factor है 2. So this is what a composite number is. So now we are clear with what are prime numbers and what are composite numbers. Now we will move on to the exercise, that is exercise number 3. The first question, which is the number which is neither prime nor composite? We don't know, right? But listen, the first, that is the first natural number is neither prime nor composite. So the answer is what? The answer is 1. 1 is the number which is neither prime number nor it is a composite number. Now the second question, how many prime numbers are even numbers and which? They are asking you कितने ऐसे number है जो even होते हुए भी prime numbers है. See, if you take 2, as I told you, 2 के table, if suppose you take 4, so 4 is a composite number because it has factor 1, 2 and 4. Like I have given you the example, right? So 4 is a composite number. अगला even number क्या आता है? 6. तो 6 भी 2 के table में आता है. If you take next number 8, 8 is also there in 2's table, right? So every even number can be divided by 2 and you get a natural number. Means every even number is what? Is a composite number, right? So they are asking you prime number कौन सा even numbers में से. So 4 से लेकर तो एक भी नहीं है. The remaining one is what? 2. If I consider 2, 2 is a even number, right? इसके कौन से factors हैं? 2 has only 2 factors, which is 1 and 2 itself. So जब एक number के सिर्फ दो factors होते हैं, 1 and the number itself, it will be what? It will be a prime number. So over here when they are asking you how many prime numbers are even numbers and which, so the answer will be 1 prime number, 1 even prime number, one even prime number, which is 2. So are we clear with it? The first question जो पूछा है कि कितने ऐसे even numbers है जो prime numbers है, तो उसका answer is 1. That is there is only one number which is even number, even prime number, which is 2. Means 2 is the answer. But ये 2 कितने numbers है? एक number. So we are answering 2 questions. That is कितने, that is how much. The answer for it is 1. And which, for the question which, we have the answer as 2. So are we clear with the second question? Now third, how many prime numbers are between 1 to 100 and which? So for this, what we have to do, we have to consider 1 to 100 every number and look whether this number is there in any of the table or it has any factor or not. So let us start. 2 is the prime number, just अभी हमने solve किया, right? So they are asking you prime numbers, so it will be 2. Then what? 2 के बाद 3 किसी और के टेबल में आता है except 1 and 3 itself? No. So 3 is another prime number. फिर 4 comes in the table of 2, right? So we don't take 4. Then I have 5 as a prime number. What about 6? 6 comes in the table of 2 and 3. So 6 cannot be a prime number. Prime number एक ऐसा नंबर होता है जो 1 and खुद के टेबल को छोड़ के किसी और के टेबल में आता हो. So 6 comes in the table of 2 and 3, right? So 6 cannot be a prime number. So 6 is not a prime number. Now what about 7? 7 किसी के भी टेबल में नहीं आता from 1 to 6, right? 2 to 6, right? So I can say that 7 is a prime number. 1 and 7 को छोड़ के और किसी के टेबल में अगर नहीं आता है तो then it is a prime number. That is 1 and the number itself, which is over here 7. 8 comes in the table of 2 as well as 4, right? So I cannot say that 8 is a prime number. 8 is a composite number. Then I have 9. 9 also comes in the table of what? 3. 3 3s are 9. So 9 is also not a prime number. Then 10. 10 comes in the table of 2 and 5, right? So 10 is also not a prime number. 11 is a prime number. 11 किसी के भी टेबल में नहीं आता है except 1 and 11 itself. So 11 is a prime number. Then 12 is not a prime number. 13 is a prime number because it comes in the table of 1 and 13 itself and not any other table. Then I have 19 as a prime number because 19 also comes in the table of 1 and 19, not any other table. Then I have 23. You have to just check first of all, before this chapter is based on tables. You have to learn tables by heart from 1 to 20. Then only you can move about. Okay. So 23 also does not comes in any of the table except 1 and 23 itself. Then 29. 29 भी किसी के टेबल में नहीं था. See, first of all, what you have to do is you have to learn all the tables from 1 to 20 to solve this chapter and also learn these numbers. That is the numbers between the prime numbers between 1 to 100. It will be very useful to you while solving the questions that is based on factors, every exercise. So basically you can learn this all numbers also or you can solve it. If you know the tables, you will be able to construct this. And if you are able to construct this, then you will be able to solve the sums based on the divisibility. Then after 29, I have 31. Another prime number. 31 also comes in the table of 1 and 31 itself. Then 37. Same like other prime numbers. 37 भी सिर्फ 1 and खुद के table, that is 37 के table में आता है. Then 41. See, if you check any other number जैसे कि 38. 38 के पीछे क्या है? 8 means it is the even number, so it has to come in which table? 2's table, right? So 38 2 के टेबल में आता है, मतलब वो प्राइम नंबर नहीं होगा. Then moving on for the 39. जब मैं 39 को देखती हूँ तो 9 plus 3 gives me how much? 10, 11 and 12. 12 comes in the table of 3 means 39 will also come in the table of 3. So 39 भी प्राइम नंबर नहीं हो सकता. 40 comes in the table of 10, comes in the table of 5, it comes in the table of 4, it comes in the table of 2. So 40 is also not possible. Then another is 41. So like that you have to recite all the numbers and check कि वो किसी के टेबल में आता है कि नहीं. After 41, 42 आता है, but 42 2 के टेबल में आता है. So that's why I have taken 43. Then 44 भी नहीं आएगा. 45 comes in the table of 5. 46 also does not comes. 46 comes in the table of another, that is 1 to 10 के बीच में आता है. And then 47. 47 is the prime number. 46 is the composite number. So 47 भी किसी के टेबल में नहीं आता है except 1 and 47. Then 48 आता है, 49 आता है, 50 आता है, 51 आता है, 52 also comes. 53 is the next prime number. It does not comes in any of the table except 1 and 53. Then I have 59 as a prime number. It also comes in the table of 1 and 59. Or if you when you read the tables till 1 to 20, it will be very simple for you whether this number comes in the table or not. So 59, then I have 61. 60 आता है, right? So then 61 also does not comes in any of the table except 1 and 61. Then 67. 67 also comes in the table of 1 and 67. If you can check 67 अगर किसी और टेबल में आएगा ही नहीं except 1 and 67. So 67, then 71. 71 भी सिर्फ 1 and 71 के टेबल में आता है और किसी के टेबल में नहीं. Then 73. 73 also the same. Then I have next which is 79. Then 83, 89 and 97. So these are all the numbers between 1 to 100 which are what prime numbers. Let us count because they are asking you two questions. How many prime numbers? How many means what? Kitne? And then they are asking you which means we have given you this all numbers are prime numbers. It is simple. सिर्फ ये चेक करना है कि वो खुद के and 1 के टेबल को छोड़ के किसी और टेबल्स में आते हैं कि नहीं. Now let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. So we have how many? 25 numbers which are prime numbers between 1 to 100. So this is the table that you have to learn, that is all the prime numbers between 1 to 100 and tables from 1 to 20. Now we will start with the fourth question of this exercise, which is what? Determine whether the following numbers are prime or composite. They are asking you, they have given you some list of numbers and they are asking you to check whether these numbers are prime number or composite number. We will do one thing, we will write down the serial numbers of all the prime numbers down, right? Composite number hai to we will leave as it is. So let us move on with the first question. What are prime numbers? Let us revise. Prime numbers are those numbers जो 1 and खुद के टेबल में आते हैं, बाकी किसी के टेबल में नहीं आते. And what are composite numbers? Leaving all the prime numbers, remaining natural numbers are composite numbers. जो 1 and खुद के टेबल को छोड़ के और किसी के भी टेबल्स में आते हैं और उनके डिवाइसेस 1 and the number itself को छोड़ के कोई और डिवाइसेस भी हो सकते हैं. So this is what a composite number is. Now we will understand. We will solve this examples and we will understand this prime numbers and composite numbers in detail. So the first 93. Tell me 9 3 है तो we will check first with 3 के टेबल में आता है कि नहीं. So what we will do, add them. 9 plus 3, 10, 11 and 12. 12 3 के टेबल में आता है. If 12 3 के टेबल में आता है then 93 भी 3 के टेबल में आएगा. So 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 12 3 के टेबल में आता है. So 93 will be also be there in the table of 3. So I can say that this is a composite number. Now moving on for the 97. In the previous question, that is question number 3, we have written all the numbers from 1 to 100, all the prime numbers, right? So 97 was amongst them. Means what? 97 खुद के and 1 के टेबल में खुद का टेबल, that is 97's table and 1's table को छोड़ के किसी और के टेबल में नहीं आता है. So what is this? This is a prime number. So I'll write it down over here. So the serial number 2 is what? A prime number. That is 97 is a prime number. Because it does not, you can check through tables. You won't get 97 in any of the tables. Now the third, which is 101 or 101. 101 is also a prime number. If you check, see 1 plus 1 2, so ये 3 के टेबल 3 के टेबल में नहीं आएगा because 2 does not comes in 3's table. So 101 will also not come in 3's table, right? Then 2 के टेबल में नहीं आएगा because I don't have an even number. Then 11 के टेबल में नहीं आएगा, 5 के टेबल में नहीं आएगा, 10 के टेबल में नहीं आएगा, 6 के टेबल में नहीं आएगा. If you go on checking by test of divisibility and other tables, you won't get 101 anywhere. So means this is what? This is another prime number. So I can say that 3 is a Serial number 3 is a prime number. Remember, we are writing serial number over here. So 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number. Then 3 is a prime number. Then 117. ये किसी के टेबल में आता है कि नहीं? Let us check. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9. ये कौन सा टेस्ट ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी है? टेस्ट ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी by 3, right? I am adding all the numbers and checking whether this number, the summation comes in the table of 3 or not. So 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Yes, I get 9. Means I will get 117 also in the table of 3. So I can say that this 117 comes in the table of 3. Means it is what, prime number or composite? Composite number, क्योंकि वो 117 के टेबल में भी आता है, 1 के टेबल में भी आता है, 3 के टेबल में भी आता है. Means this is a composite number. I just want one number except 1 and the number itself. तो 1 को छोड़ दिया मैंने, 117 को छोड़ दिया. Then also it comes in the table of 3. Means this is what? This is a composite number. So I can say that this 117 is a composite number. I won't write it here because I am writing the serial numbers of what? Only the prime numbers. Then looking over here, 127. 127 किसी के टेबल में आता है कि नहीं? Let us see. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10. I get 10. 10 3 के टेबल में नहीं आता ना, 10 9 के टेबल में आता है. So there is no chance of 127 coming in the table of 3 and 9. Then 10 के टेबल में also it won't come because I need 0 over here. It won't come in the table of 5. It won't come in the table of 7 because if I read the table of 7, I won't get 127 anywhere. Or if I divide by 127, I won't get a natural number. I'll get the answer in point. This does not come in the table of 13. 13 also you can check it by dividing it. 13 से देखो, 17 से देखो, 19 से देखो. You won't get 127. See, if you repeatedly go on doing this now, you won't get 127 anywhere except the divisor 1 and 127 itself. So this is what? This is a prime number. I can't show you entire calculation, right? मैं सब numbers के साथ करके नहीं दिखा सकती. So basically when you run the tables, then only you can make out whether this number is a prime number or composite number. So I know that this number does not come in any of the tables, so I can say that this is what? This is a prime number. So serial number 5, that is 127, is a prime number. Then 6, it is very easy. Last में 5 है तो 5 के टेबल में आएगा ही. So see, the factor of this is what? 1, 5 confirm and 295. So it has 3 factors, right? So I can say that if a number has 3 factors, then it is a what? Composite number. So this is a composite number. 1 और खुद को छोड़ के वो 5 के टेबल में भी आ रहा है. That's why it is what? It is a composite number. Then 407. ये 2 के टेबल में नहीं आएगा, 3 के भी नहीं आएगा, 4 no, because 4 के टेबल में आने के लिए उसको even नंबर चाहिए. And when I add 7 and 4, I'll get 11. 11 does not come in the table of 3. So ये 3 के टेबल में नहीं आएगा, 9 के टेबल में नहीं आएगा. What about 11? 11 का कंडीशन क्या था? अल्टरनेट नंबर्स को ऐड करना. So when I add 7 and 4, I get 11. And 11 is divisible by 11. So I can say that अगर 11 के टेबल में आता है तो 407 will also come in the table of 11. So this is what? This is a composite number because ये 407 and 11 के टेबल में आता है. 11 is another number than the number 1 and the number itself. So I can say that इसके 3 factors है. That's why this is what? This is not a prime number. It is a composite number. तो मैं यहाँ नहीं लिखूँगी because this is what? These are all prime numbers I am writing down. Then 8. See, 9 plus 9. 9 जैसे ही मैं देखूँगी ना, when I see 3, 9, my mind says that try the divisibility by 3 and 9. So first I will add this number, that is 9 plus 9, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 does not come in the table of 3. It also does not come in the table of 9. So then 9 and 3 के टेबल में नहीं आता, 5 के टेबल में don't come, 2 के टेबल में नहीं आएगा, 7 stable, 7 7s are 49. But 7 के टेबल में 9 नहीं आता, तो I'll get something 71 point something. But I am getting decimal when I divide by 7. So this is not possible. I need a natural number. So 7 के टेबल में भी नहीं आएगा. When I divide it by 13, I'll get a point. 17 के टेबल में भी नहीं आएगा. Means what? When I repeatedly go on checking, I won't get this number anywhere. So this is what? This is a prime number. So I'll write serial number 8. Serial number 8 is the prime number. Remember, when you're checking now, test of divisibility 1 to 10 you check. If you don't get anywhere, then check with the prime numbers. You have prime numbers, list of prime numbers between 1 to 100. So उनके टेबल प्राइम नंबर्स के टेबल में आता है कि नहीं, दैट यू कैन चेक. देन यू कैन कंक्लूड वेदर अ नंबर इज अ प्राइम नंबर और अ कंपोजिट नंबर. सो वो ईयर मैंने ये सब प्राइम नंबर 13 से देखा, 17 से देखा, 23, 27. आई गेट डेसिमल एवरी टाइम. So I can conclude that this number does not come in any of the table except 19499. So this is a prime number and I have written the serial number over here, that is 8. Then further I get what? 52 7. This number 52 7 ये किसके टेबल में आ सकता है? When I repeatedly go on checking from 1 to 10, मुझे किसी भी टेबल में नहीं आएगा. सिर्फ 2 के टेबल में नहीं आएगा because I need a even number at the end. Same with 4. 4 में बोलता है कि I need a even number at the end, so it does not comes in the table of 2 and 4. When it does not come in the table of 2, it cannot come in the table of 6. 3 के टेबल में भी नहीं आएगा क्योंकि 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 14 does not come in the table of 3, so I can say that this does not come in the table of 3. Then 9 के टेबल में भी 14 नहीं आता, so I can say that ये 9 के टेबल में भी नहीं आएगा. Then 10 not possible, 5 also not possible because for 10 I need 0 and for 5 I need 0 or 5, which is not possible. So when you go on checking now, you will find that ये 17 के टेबल में आता है. When I check, I told you 1 to 10 तुम्हें सब चेक करना by test of divisibility. After 10 to 100 you have to check all the prime numbers. You have list of 25 prime numbers. When you check all the सब 25 नंबर से चेक करते जाना, डिवाइड करना है, नेचुरल नंबर आता है कि नहीं. When you divide 527 by 17, you will get a natural number which is 31. When you divide 527 by 13, you will get 31, which is a natural number. So I can say that this 527 is a composite number. And ये इसके कौन से फैक्टर्स है? For 527, I have 4 factors, that is 1, 527 itself, then I have 17 and 31.